Hello and welcome to this video where I will be reviewing the DeskShield range. This is a 3mm thick panel. It's one of the shorter ones. It's dedicated for the side edge of desks. The thickness is thick enough so it's quite sturdy, but also thin enough so that it is cost effective and also not too heavy. These rounded edges significantly strengthen it. So I would say that the 3mm thick Perspex plexiglass is the best material for these kind of shields. Now the shields come with two types of bases. The first one is made out of 5mm thick Perspex. It slots in quite easily onto the bottom of each side. And as you can see, it is already quite stable. Obviously there will be some movement. At the end of the day it is plexiglass, but still it is not bad, and even if you try tilting it, it still goes back to its initial position. Apart from the basic plastic bases, we have the oak range. They basically look nicer and they've got a nice warm feel and touch. So yeah, that is the difference. You can either have the plastic or the oak bases. Okay, now when it comes to adapting your workplace, well, the bases are small enough to take as less office space as possible, but on the other hand, they also have to be long enough to provide stability. So it's a bit of a, say, chicken and egg, but we had to meet somewhere in the middle. When it comes to durability, well, I guess we have to put it to the test. So I invite you to my next video where I'll be putting it to, let's say, the extreme office test, using just ordinary office tools if people get frustrated, and with lockdown people are getting frustrated, and then we'll really put it to the limit because I'd like to break one to see what it takes to break a panel.